Gone. Gone. Hey guys, welcome to another video of Airsoft Gun India, and today we have an amazing gun with us. This is Dan Wesson 2.5 inch, and here is the gun. This is our most highest selling CO2 revolver, and this is Dan Wesson. This is by far the best CO2 revolver, and it is the highest selling. We have sold most CO2 revolver, we have sold almost like 300 to 400 revolver. This is Dan Wesson. It is the most demanded CO2 BB revolver in India, and this is made by, let me just check the Action Sports, and this is the revolver. You want to see it comes with a serial unique number. It is a full metal. All the parts are metal except this grip. You just bring this, pop this out. This is the grip. It weighs around kg. You load here CO2. So let me just show you how to quickly load a CO2 right in this. Just bring this out, and I'm gonna just put it right here. Just make sure that it has been aligned with that. And once you see it has been aligned, you just twist it like this, and you're gonna see a sound of his. Okay, so once you hear the sound of that, just stop doing it. This part is of plastic that I don't like, but the other part, the inside stuff, is of metal. The rest of the part is of metal. And let me just put this right here, and it is back. And here you have your BB revolver. So you can see, if I just do it like this, sound will come out because we haven't loaded the BB. This is the whole stuff. You can see it has a very nice style, and this is that nickel. It's not exactly silver, it's not exactly nickel. It has a very gothic look. It's a very nice look. It is not too big, it's not too small. It is just an awesome looking gun. The size is just perfect. It comes with this manual kind of sort of stuff with all the Dan Wesson, the Action Sports, all the stuff. Here is the Dan Wesson. You're gonna see the basic instruction with all the parts and stuff. And you're gonna see how to load BBs, the operating instruction, how to load BBs, how to load CO2, and how to maintain the stuff. You're gonna see all the details right here. You're gonna see this is the Dan Wesson stuff, and you're gonna see that the Dan Wesson, the length is 210, right here is 210 mm. The weight is around 870 gram. So but it looks fine. It's around a kg, so it's like 870 gram. It uses 4.5 mm steel BBs. Here is the BB. It is a copper plated one, but this is the BB that we load. Let me just show you quickly how to load this. Here we have the safety. You bring it back, and it is in safe mode. You can't operate this gun. This is fire, and this is open. You click it right here, and you just pop this out, and this part comes out. You will see it revolves just like a real firearm. So you bring this out like this, and let me just quickly show you how to load this. You take this, and you put it right here, and you just pop it, and just make sure you pop it hard so that it stays there, else it may drop out. You keep it, but you don't put it too hard, but do it just that it just gets fit in and it doesn't drop out. So you take this, and it goes right here. Yeah, we have loaded. I think we are almost done. So this is 6-1. You take this and you put it each one right here like this. Where have I dropped? So we have dropped one cell right here. Sorry. This happens, no worries. Let me just load this one as well very quickly. We're going to do it like this, and we have a 6. So it actually looks quite cool from here, and it just looks like a real firearm. You put this inside, and from out it will just look like you have loaded a real firearm in this. And this is the gun. So awesome. You can just fire this, and it is ready for shoot. But that's it. We not fire this right now because it is a single action, so we can't lose up. The accessories that comes with this is the rail. You can put this rail right here, so that later you can mount and scope if you want to. I don't know why will you mount a scope on this revolver, but if you want to mount a scope, you can put it right here. It comes with this rail, so keep it. And it also comes with this speed loader in case you are using lots of BBs. You put this cell right here, and you pop this out, and you're gonna load this in one go. So that's it. This is the whole stuff. I'm just gonna put it on the safety. Oh shit! I just fired this. So okay, it was not in the safe. You put it and okay. So this is the stuff. We're gonna just do a shooting test fire of this gun, and you're gonna see how powerful this is. It has a steel BBs, metal one, easy to load, and it has a very powerful gun. So Dan Wesson, and you're gonna buy this on our website, that is airsoftgunindia.com. You're gonna see Dan Wesson marking. To buy this gun, visit our website, that is airsoftgunindia.com, or you're gonna also like our Facebook page, that is Facebook/airsoftgunindia. You're gonna just watch our video on YouTube/airsoftgunindia. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much. Hey guys, this is Dan Wesson 2.5-inch revolver, and we're gonna do a test fire of this 2.5-inch revolver Dan Wesson. It shoots steel BTBBs, so we have a solid beer bottle, and we're gonna do a target practice. Whoa, it's shattered. Gone. Gone. So that's over. Come closer and see the impact. Look, this one hits here, gone, gone, gone. This is the lethal. This is an amazing air gun. If you're looking for a powerful air gun, this is it. This is it. Dan Wesson 2.5-inch. Bang on.